out scouting and they've never been in sand like this before, so let them play around a bit. Scout evening, so head on back down to the truck. Alright, it's the night before
opening day.
Deer season, yep. And we're gonna camp out under the stars here. Got some dinner.
Chicken.
And got my setup there. Guns out, ready to go. And we're gonna hike up over yonder. Haha! Good luck knowing where that is. We'll see you in the morning. What is today?
Opening party. Opening party.
Yep. They're already into their candy. Jeez, that was supposed to be for if we get a deer. You know, then they could eat their candy.
Oh, we still have more in the truck.
We have all sorts of goodies.
Because you said it's a special hunt.
It's a special hunt. We've waited 21 years for this tag.
21. Yeah, 21. Yeah.
21 years that I've been putting people in and myself in and stuff. Not you guys, because you haven't been old enough. We're hiked up about 1,000 feet. We're just checking out all this before we go up over the hill. We've seen the biggest buck we've seen scouting is around that corner up there. 165, 170, somewhere in there maybe. And so yeah, we're just waiting for a little bit more daylight so we don't accidentally spook something off without knowing it, hopefully. Let the day begin. We just saw that buck go up over there. I think I seen him the other day. Up in that draw. So I think we're gonna try to hike clear up to the top of that knob. And try to go get him. Hit it. Smile. Jeez. You gotta hike all the way up the mountain. Ready to go.
With soda pops.
We've got soda pops. Talk about junk food. Oh boy. Yeah, coming up through some steep stuff. Yes. Only way we found around this bluff. We've been going most of the morning, all morning, since an hour before daylight. And saw that one buck. There's a bunch of toe tracks in here, but Somebody else already came in since we were last scouting. There was tracks all over the place and stuff, so they spooked them out for sure. And we're just gonna try to make a massive loop up around. See if we can't find them. It's probably 10:30 in the morning and we biked up from down there all the way up to here. We're pretty much, we're not far elevation-wise from the top at all. So the kids have hiked about 3,000 feet, and it is, yeah, my backpack's kind of huge, by the way. Everybody's stuff, it's very heavy. But the kids have their soda pops, and they're eating, what? Deer jerky, and pistachios. They've come a long ways. They deserve some junk food. Good job, guys. They said make a duckbill. Quack, quack. We just saw some deer. Right over there, 2 does and a fawn. But it's the opposite way of the truck. So, and Hayden's getting pretty tired. Callie can still go, but hiking out the bottom of this draw would be a nightmare. I've done it before. It is absolutely horrible down in there. So we're trying to decide whether to go for it or not. It's a very, very long ways from the truck. They're right over the backside of that. And we didn't even see a buck, but we'll try to decide here shortly. That was one of the harder decisions I've had to make in life. I wanted to go so bad and check them does out, but just don't feel that it would do the kids any good. It'd probably end up being a night out in the bush, and we're supposed to be back tonight, or I'm sure some people will come looking for us, but we headed back down a different ridge. We're going to slowly work down to the rig, and the kids found a little pocket of horns. Hayden picked up a 5-point, and Callie is going across. He's got his 5-point, and then Callie is headed for a 6-point. Oh boy, they're racing. Go way B. Oh, they're gonna fight each other. It's a nice horn. Good job, guys. They're coming down this steep hill. It's pretty steep. Camera doesn't do it justice.
Well, it is November, middle of November. We are hunting deer. Just driving out. Pretty sure they're a little off time, but that's alright.
Well, the kids have hiked 9.5 hours solid, and we were coming out of here, and we just seen a 3-point up over the hill that she wants to go for. She wants to go for it. So it's her tag. We're gonna try to sneak up over the hill and see what happens. See if he stays around long enough. We're Okay, you can, if you see, oh, he's running now, okay? He'll stop. Do you see the daddy?
Yes, I
Okay. He stops, you can shoot him. Okay, you can shoot him if you want. He's looking back towards you.
Oh! Yeah. Where did I hit him?
Okay.
Yeah, where did I hit him?
What's that?
Where did I hit him?
I don't know, you smoked him. You smoked him.
Don't put him in front of
Yeah, get behind the gun, bud.
You smoked him.
Yay. He went down hard.
That was hard. It didn't kick hard.
Nope.
No, it was just loud.
Yep, I jumped when you shot. I didn't have it on the tripod because they were running up the hill so fast. Well, they are excited, and that's what it's about. Waited a long time for this tag, and I don't know, he was probably 120 yards, had the bipod set up, and she just completely did it all by herself. She's right eye dominant, or left eye dominant, and right-handed. Is he dead?
I shot it low in the shoulder.
Low in the shoulder?
Yeah.
There he is. Okay, guys, we gotta go get the big old bodied deer. Make sure he's dead. I think he is. Make sure. I think he's dead, guys, but make sure, poke him. There he is.
He's huge.
Is he huge?
Yeah, he's a 3-point.
Yep. Cool, we gotta get a tag on him.
Well, where's the tag?
In my pocket. I'm coming.
Where'd you see?
So what do you think of your first deer?
Big.
It's big. He was running up the hill and kept stopping, and so I took the camera off the tripod and
Yeah, you jumped.
I jumped really bad. Really bad. But she just smoked him. Like smoked him
I
better
shot
than
him
a
on the
doornail.
other side.
I
Yep.
thought his back legs jumped.
Yep.
I think his back leg jumped.
Well, we have
Wide.
hiked. We have hiked so hard today. 9.5 hours solid, and then got back to the truck, and you guys ate so much food. Like lots and lots of food.
Well, we were hungry. So the Callie kept giving me so much. Yeah, only because you wanted it.
But not many people can hike this country, especially where we did, up around Rocky Bluffs and everything like that.
She, every time when she saw a buck,
And
she
through
just like,
all the
yeah,
pricklies.
I want to shoot it. Yeah, I want to shoot it.
Well, this is bigger than that other buck we saw.
What? Is it?
That other 3-point. Yep,
Well, the other 3-point was too far away. Or
definitely
was
bigger.
getting too far away.
But she followed it up the hill. I had her make sure she saw antlers on it because it's a buck-only tag, and she followed it up with the scope and did everything herself. And kaboom, whammer,
That
bammer, bumper.
trigger is touchy.
Yeah, it works good, huh? Yep,
It's not as hard as the shotgun. The shotgun, you have to pull hard.
yep. Yep, but you got yourself a deer. Huh?
First.
He's really wide.
Yeah.
Fairly heavy, too.
He's
Yep.
heavy.
We are headed back to the truck to grab the rest of our stuff. And, whoa, that's really steep. And I just wanted to
share a little bit. Oh, probably 2 months ago or so, we were reading the Bible as a family one evening, and Ryan, our oldest boy, he got up and went to the table, was writing something down, and then came back, and
What are you doing? You just came circle, Dad.
and I'm getting down to the truck, and he come back, and he had written down, God first, others second, me last. And that's really where it's at, guys. We put in for this tag, and there was one leftover tag in the second draw, and 281 people put in for it. And Mommy drew the tag, and Mommy put Callie first, and she had the tag transferred so Callie could come down here and hunt. And this spring also, we were really tight money wise, so we had told the kids, you know, no extra spending. We were really low, and before long the kids had built these stores up at the top of our driveway. We're on a dead-end road on another dead-end road, and they built these stores and made some origami stuff and sold some rocks and stuff. And I think the first day, Callie and Hayden are the main ones, and they came down to the house, and they had made I believe it was $1.50, and they told Mommy, this is for you and Daddy. And that just shows how big of a heart they have in putting others first. And we've worked really hard. We've gone scouting multiple times. And she deserves this. She's put other people first, and she deserves every bit of it. Proud of her.
Well, duh, you're gonna be.
Going back up to the deer. Pretty amazing sunset. Trees are turning. Real pretty. Beautiful evening. Let's get to work. Okay, so we are back to the truck, and I just measured him. How wide do you think he is? He's 23¼ inches wide. He's almost 2 feet wide.
What?
He's almost 2 feet wide. So we got him in the back of the truck, and we are gonna head out. It's probably 2.5 hours home. Maybe
2.5?
Yeah, we got a long way to go up this road. So anyways, until the next one.